SketchUp allows you to save images that you see on your screen. So if I was to want to save this image right here, I can do that for use in making a handout, like in this case, or if I just want to share a picture with somebody else, save a picture for use out in the shop, I could print it out later. This is a handy tool to use. So in order to do that, the first thing I want to do is orient my scene here to get the picture that I want. So I don't want these cut off on either side, so I'll have to zoom out a little bit. And I'm going to orbit just a bit there like that. So that allows me to create a picture without a lot of dead space around the outside. So what I would do here is go to File and Export 2D Graphic. And if I go to where I want to create that, you can see I've got a lot of other pictures here. I can call or rename it here. And before I do that, I want to go to Options and decide how big an image that I want. So if I click on Use View Size, it will use whatever size is on your screen at the time. I typically, if I'm going to be making a handout or want to print something on 8.5 by 11 paper, I'll usually make the long dimension about 1600 pixels. That's usually plenty for most images. I always have this set to the highest setting. I always have that box checked, and I'll click OK. So that sets my options. And then if I click on Export, I'll save this image to that folder. Now note that, let's say I wanted the image more like that. So in order to do that, I would actually have to resize this window to get rid of some of that white space. Now note too that there's a big step as I roll the mouse button to zoom. So sometimes that adjustment is too coarse to work well. So what I'll do is I'll switch to the zoom tool, which is this tool here. You can access that by tapping Z. And now by holding down the left mouse button and moving the mouse front and back, I can get a finer gradation of the zoom option there. So just remember, you do have to resize your SketchUp window in order to get the size of the box that you want. So I'll bring that back out. So say for my next image here, I don't need all this space. So when I created this image, I resized the SketchUp window, and this takes typically some zooming and panning to probably about like that. And then once again, File, Export, 2D Graphic, and I went, the options are remembered from the previous time. Went back to the same folder, renamed it. This time I'd probably call it 2, and click Export there. The last one, same thing. I would zoom to the appropriate level, change the size of the SketchUp window to work well with what I was doing, and that would work well for that particular image. So it does take some adjustment here to get the image that you want. Note that when you save or export your image, there are a couple other options here other than JPEG. I can save as a Windows bitmap, which would be rare. You would want to do that. a tagged image file, which is a relatively large file. JPEGs are compressed. These TIFF files are not. Or you can save it as a .png file. I typically will use a JPEG when I'm using this in a handout. JPEG can be a little more universal, although PNG files are pretty universal too. They're both approximately the same size typically. So I'll cancel out of there. So that takes care of exporting images in SketchUp.